7-5, Iwakiyama. Good neck thrust initially, but quickly into the Mawashi at the same time as Kikutenho. Moving him back, though, is Iwakiyama. Kikutenho steadies. He's been not strong at this type of infighting. Even though he has had a grip a lot of days, he still loses. He's been muscled out. Let's see if Iwakiyama can do the same to him today. Iwakiyama trying to stay down low, which is a good maneuver because Kikutenho, if he can get you up high, his chances of winning soar. Iwakiyama wisely staying down low, but can he generate any offense from this position? He's got the right hand inside. We haven't seen too much of an arm throw technique from Iwakiyama. That looks like the only thing he can shoot from this posture.
It's quite a stalemate. They're both in an awkward position with very little leverage. Well, Iwakiyama's been quite focused and very strong this basho. Kikutenho has not been doing as well as he can. I'd say that Iwakiyama could get creative.
Leg sweep fails by Iwakiyama.